Starting and running a woodworking business can be a rewarding venture for those who have a passion for working with wood and creating beautiful handcrafted pieces. However, like any business, it's essential to have a solid plan in place to ensure profitability and success. In this comprehensive guide, while you look at our collection of woodworking projects, we'll discuss various strategies and tips on how to make a woodworking business profitable. Hello there! Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of profitable woodworking projects that can help you make money with your woodworking skills while also telling you tips to make your business more profitable. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. So if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Getting back to our tips to make your woodworking business more profitable. 1. Develop a business plan. The first step in making your woodworking business profitable is to develop a detailed business plan. This plan should outline your business goals, target market, competitive analysis, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will serve as a roadmap for your woodworking business and help you stay focused on your objectives. 2. Identify your niche. To stand out in the woodworking industry and attract customers, it's crucial to identify your niche. Consider specializing in a particular type of woodworking, such as furniture making, cabinetry, or wood turning. By focusing on a niche market, you can establish yourself as an expert in that area and appeal to customers looking for unique, high-quality wood products. 3. Invest in quality tools and materials. One of the keys to running a successful woodworking business is investing in quality tools and materials. While it may be tempting to cut costs by purchasing cheaper equipment, investing in high-quality tools will ultimately save you time and money in the long run. Quality tools will help you produce better craftsmanship, improve efficiency, and enhance the overall quality of your products. 4. Offer customization and personalization. In today's market, consumers are increasingly seeking personalized and customized products. To make your woodworking business profitable, consider offering customization options for your wood products. Whether it's custom furniture pieces, engraved signs, or personalized gifts, providing customers with the opportunity to tailor their purchases to their preferences can help you attract more clients and command higher prices for your work. 5. Establish an online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential for reaching a wider audience and growing your woodworking business. Create a professional website showcasing your work, services, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your projects, engage with potential customers, and drive traffic to your website. Consider starting an online store to sell your products directly to customers worldwide. 6. Develop relationships with suppliers. Building strong relationships with suppliers is crucial for running a profitable woodworking business. Establish partnerships with reliable suppliers who offer quality wood materials at competitive prices. By negotiating favorable terms with suppliers and maintaining good communication, you can ensure a steady supply of materials and reduce costs, ultimately increasing your profit margins. 7. Implement efficient production processes. Efficiency is key to maximizing profitability in a woodworking business. Streamline your production processes by organizing your workspace, optimizing workflow, and implementing time-saving techniques. Invest in tools and equipment that can help you work faster and more efficiently without compromising quality. By improving productivity and minimizing waste, you can increase output and profitability. Set competitive pricing. Setting the right pricing strategy is essential for making your woodworking business profitable. Conduct market research to understand the pricing trends in the woodworking industry and determine the value of your products compared to competitors. Consider factors such as material costs, labor expenses, overheads, and desired profit margins when setting prices for your wood products. Be transparent about your pricing and communicate the value of your craftsmanship to customers. Focus on customer service. Providing exceptional customer service is crucial for building a loyal customer base and generating repeat business. Treat every customer with respect and professionalism, respond promptly to inquiries and feedback, and go the extra mile to exceed customer expectations. By delivering outstanding service and building strong relationships with customers, you can foster trust and loyalty, leading to increased sales and referrals. 10. Monitor financial performance. To ensure the profitability of your woodworking business, it's essential to monitor your financial performance regularly. Keep track of expenses, revenues, profits, and cash flow to assess the health of your business and identify areas for improvement. Use accounting software to manage finances efficiently, track inventory levels, analyze sales data, and generate financial reports. By staying on top of your financials, you can make informed decisions that drive profitability and long-term success. In conclusion, running a profitable woodworking business requires careful planning, dedication to craftsmanship, strategic decision-making, and a customer-centric approach. By following these tips and strategies outlined in this guide, you can position your woodworking business for success, attract loyal customers, increase sales revenue, and achieve long-term profitability. Remember that profitability is not just about making money, but also about creating value for customers, building lasting relationships, and making a positive impact through your craftsmanship. Embrace the journey of entrepreneurship with passion and perseverance, and watch your woodworking business thrive in the competitive market. 11. Diversify your product offering. To expand your customer base and increase revenue streams, consider diversifying your product offering in your woodworking business. Introduce new product lines, such as home decor items, outdoor furniture, or custom woodworking services, to cater to different market segments and meet evolving consumer preferences. By offering a variety of products that appeal to a broader audience, you can maximize sales opportunities and grow your business. 12. Attend trade shows and events. Networking and showcasing your work at trade shows, craft fairs, and community events can help you promote your woodworking business and attract new customers. Participating in industry events allows you to connect with fellow woodworkers, potential clients, and industry professionals, expanding your reach and visibility in the market. Use these opportunities to showcase your craftsmanship, build relationships with customers, and generate leads for future projects. 13. Continuously improve your skills. As a woodworker, it's essential to continuously improve your skills and stay up to date with industry trends and techniques. Attend workshops, training programs, and online courses to enhance your craftsmanship, learn new skills, and expand your knowledge of woodworking practices. By investing in your professional development and honing your skills, you can produce higher quality products, attract more clients, and command premium prices for your work. 14. Seek feedback and adapt. Feedback from customers is invaluable for improving your woodworking business and ensuring customer satisfaction. Encourage customers to provide feedback on their experience with your products and services, whether through online reviews, surveys, or direct communication. Use this feedback to identify areas for improvement, address customer concerns, and adapt your business strategies accordingly. By listening to customer feedback and making necessary adjustments, you can enhance the quality of your products and services, build trust with customers, and drive profitability. 15. Stay committed and persistent. Building a profitable woodworking business requires dedication, hard work, and persistence. Stay committed to your craft, set ambitious goals for growth and profitability, and remain resilient in the face of challenges. Be willing to adapt to changing market conditions, learn from setbacks, and continuously strive for excellence in everything you do. By staying focused on your vision and putting in the effort needed to succeed, you can turn your woodworking business into a profitable venture that brings joy and fulfillment. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked profitable woodworking projects that can help you make money with your woodworking skills, and our comprehensive guide on how to make a woodworking business profitable. Which ones did you like? L. What did you like about them? L. Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.